Hi everyone, it's the 16th of January and I'm back with another weekend video from trading. I'm Burak from Trading Channels, and you can see here the address is tradingchannels.uk. You can have a look at the website and try it free of charge for the first 10 days. Let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me at burak@tradingchannels.uk. So we start with ES continues, and you can see here initially I thought this breakout from the blue resistance, the backtest held a few times and that was looking very positive, but Friday's action came down further, came down a bit low, lower than I thought. This was the backtest. These 1, 2, 3, 4 touches were backtests, and now it's gone back below it. So this is a caution. I'm not saying this is bearish just yet, because the reason is this red support line and the purple, they both held at the low of Friday, and that is very constructive for the moment for bulls. If it continues and if it follows through with this bounce and we get to above 3,850, then I think we're going to get to 3,900 as well. So this next week's action, Monday, Tuesday, will be very important. If this red bottom band and purple support, they both break to the downside, then I suspect it's gonna slide to 3,700 next. Yeah, and Dow has a similar story. The break of the golden resistance, this was the resistance. You can see here, this is coming all the way from end of August, then November, several touches. It's a rail, it's not a single line, but the top band is a single line, but I think it's more like a zone, and this resistance zone was broken, back tested. Okay, that was broken end of December, and it got back tested a few times, and this is another touch. Now the back test didn't hold on Friday, so but just like ES, the red bottom band held. That is a perfect bounce of a speculative support. Now this is a support, so if it can make it above this golden resistance again, and then I would say our next target will be 32,000. But if this bounce maybe like follows through a little bit for a few days slide sideways and then breaks the red, then that would look bearish all of a sudden, quite bearish to me. I think the ultimate target is this blue line, which may become a resistance and which would of course act like a target. Then that's the, so this is from June, this is from beginning of September, and this is the level at 32,000. That's the ideal target for this big run, and then we'll see what happens after that. And Nasdaq is also very bullish still, in my opinion. It's every push comes is faced with a big pullback, push, big pullback, and now we may see another pullback all the way to the green bottom band, and it may even touch the previous golden support. Of course we have to wait and see, but the green bottom band is a good target, is a good level to bounce, and if it does bounce, then we can get to all the way to the golden top band above 13,500. The break of this support resistance level here, this was very constructive, but it couldn't follow through. I thought it's gonna run now, maybe backtest and run to the golden top band, but that didn't happen. Now we're back below the golden resistance and it's actually holding again. So we may see this green bottom band and then move on. If this golden support zone this here, this rail, if it does break, then I would suspect a bit more downside. To me, the Nasdaq uptrend is still on, and I would be looking to buy the dips. Russell, this here, the green top band, obviously this green bottom band is perfect. The green top band 3 times, and the 4th one broke it, but there was no follow through, and then it slided back down. Now the golden bottom band is holding, and this is Friday's low, and if this support keeps holding, then we may see another push towards the golden top band. Clearly, if it does break the golden bottom band, then we may see another slide to just below 2000 and to touch the green support rail again. And Footsie here has, one second, I will show you first the long term to make sense of this entire move. Okay, here this was the massive bull flag that formed from June all the way to August, and then we had a big breakout and then pushed higher, and it's actually the black resistance, this diagonal resistance. You can see here the first one held now, and the most recent ones held as well, but then after that one was also cleared. You can see here this was the resistance, and that is the breakout. I don't think Footsie will fall below this black support again for quite some time. I believe it has more upside, especially, you know, this black support. This is the level that was the breakout level. You can see here 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one broke it. We may see a back test maybe on Monday or Tuesday, but I suspect we will be within this speculative green channel eventually, and it's going to push and break the blue bull flag and run to 7,400, 7,500. So the ideal setup is this blue bull flag, which has perfect, like if I show you the 2-hourly chart, you'll see it. These are really nice 2 touches on the top, 2 touches on the bottom, and then if we see a bounce off this, then there will be the breakout, in my opinion. So we'll see. These are all price actions that I'm expecting. Look, if these don't happen, I'm not going to keep my bullish stance just because I've been bullish. It is the price that matters, and every support that I have identified for quite some time, they haven't been breached yet. So which is why the uptrend is continuing, and I'm going to be buying the dips as long as it does. DAX here, same scenario here. The golden one is a bull flag, a speculative, of course not speculative, but a potential bull flag. We can call it a bull flag once it's broken to the upside. And here the red support, the internal support held. We may see a move and then come back, and this will be a double support, the red and golden, and then we can see the break to the upside. Of course, we have to watch every action. If the golden bottom band and the red, they both break to the downside, then short term, at least short term, I would be turning bearish. Then of course this green support, that if that one breaks, then there will be more downside for DAX. Excuse me. Here oil, very big nice bullish breakout after the red bull flag was broken. That was back in mid-November, and since then it has been pushing, and now it actually reached almost the target. Okay, to reach that target, it broke the green sideways channel, like an interim channel, to the upside, back tested, and now it's back testing again. So Monday is important. if we see more upside on Monday, then we can say this green channel did its job, and it actually even held the back test, and we're going to get to 55 plus. That is the target. Natgas here, I'll show you again. The golden channel is still, you know, it's a declining channel, and which is why natgas, in my opinion, is still bearish. I'm going to show you the 2-hourly chart now. Here the red channel broke to the downside, okay, and got back tested together with the green top band, and now we may see a move to the green bottom band and maybe a bounce, and then once the green bottom band breaks to the downside, that actually would open more for more selling. However, if we see the green bottom band getting tested and then move to the green top band and then break into the upside, that would qualify as a bull flag. So this is all the price, you know, again, based on the price action, natgas will have to move accordingly. To me, it is a bit of an unknown, and the reason for that is this channel. Okay, this was the one that I had plotted, I think, in last week's analysis, and this purple one was broken, okay, and got back tested, and it got back tested again, and it's now holding. So this break out of this purple channel is also looking bullish, yeah, at this short to medium. So if natgas falls below and inside the purple, then it would look again bearish. So which is why I'm a little bit skeptical about what natgas wants to do, hence I'm waiting for a bit more clear signal. Gold, this is the critical one. I think everybody is asking, including myself. This is the question, and this is the critical level. So this green channel, let me show you actually the green channel, perfect green channel right here. Okay, this is the start of the trend. Yeah, this here is 2 touches on the top, and the 2 touches are actually 4 touches on the bottom. So it is at a very critical level. Clearly the red zone is also important, the red support zone, and the blue bottom band that is acting as support. So 2 touches on the top, 2 touches on the bottom. This blue one looks like a bull flag, but it needs confirmation by breaking it to the upside. So gold still has a chance to rally, but it's getting slimmer and slimmer. This chance is getting slimmer and slimmer. In my opinion, we still have a chance to go to the golden top band and break it to the upside. But if this doesn't happen, and if this setup fails, then we may see another dive to the golden bottom band again. So very, very critical days on precious metals. Similarly for silver, you can see the break out of the red bull flag, and its back test, not the bull flag itself, but the breakout level was back tested. Yeah, this is the breakout level, and this is the back test. You know, during the breakouts, some liquidity gaps open, and usually those gaps get filled, and there were also other gaps right here and there, and silver basically sold off, as as we expected in last week's video. Now we are having this green support. This is green long-term support. You can see here from this year's March, and then end of December we had, beginning of December we had a low, and now it's touching that together with blue broken resistance and its back test, okay, and the golden diagonal support. So this triple support is holding so far, and we may see more upside, but the breakout would be if it can get above this level at 26. Okay, that would be the only way silver can move higher. And forex, euro, once this green support was broken, euro sold off, and that is no surprise, which is why we closed our long. And I've been waiting for this green bottom band to be visited, and that's exactly where we are now. And this golden resistance is holding, and this green bottom band is going to get tested, and maybe it will be completely disregarded. That's we will see on Sunday's open. The ideal action here is this green bottom band gets completely disregarded, and we see a backtest on the broken blue bull flag at 120, and then from there on I would be looking to buy again. Okay, that's where I would be, I would expect euro to bottom out again. This is a perfect bull flag that was broken, the blue one. Okay, 2 touches on the top, 2 on the bottom, and this was the break, and we may see a revisit and then move on. Pound sterling here, you can see the golden bull flag was broken after breaking the red zone. Okay, and it went all the way here. It tried to break this level and the previous highs. You can see here the 137 is a critical level. It has been a big struggle for pound sterling to get over that level, and the next one will, in my opinion, clear that level 137, but it's a question mark if it's going to get there sooner or later, and we will see that, I think, next week. So what I expect here is maybe we see the back test of the golden broken bull flag and the red zone, and then rally to break the red, and then big rally. That would be the ideal case for cable. Here, Aussie dollar, it basically first broke the golden channel to the downside, then it formed the green bull flag, and then broke the green bull flag to the upside, and back tested that golden broken bull channel on once, and this was almost another back test. From there on we sold off, and I think we may see a back test right here together with the red bottom band and the green, and if that causes a bounce, I will be again a buyer. I had closed the Aussie long right around here after reversing. Now I want to buy it again at the red bottom band if it gets there, for about 350 pips. And here is Kiwi. Kiwi did the same. It broke the inside this interim channel within the golden. This blue one broke it, back tested, and since then it's been pulling back. This is the ideal double support. Okay, if it does hold the green plus golden, then we'll see another rally all the way to new highs 74. So this level that we should be watching for is 70.95. Okay, that's for Kiwi. That's all, folks. I hope it is beneficial for everyone. Have a good rest of the weekend. Keep in touch. Bye.